folks, my name is Jeff. I'm with Transwest RV here in Belton, Missouri, the sunny, beautiful suburb of Kansas City. And I have a question for you. Are you mentally incoherent? Are you maybe just a really short person or a bad driver? Or perhaps you're one of those people who've had motorhomes for years, those big 45-foot monsters with your 8 kids inside, and kids have grown up, but you still want to go out, you still want to live the RV lifestyle, but you don't want to tote around 45 feet behind you. That's probably more likely who you are. You could be short too, or mentally incoherent. But let me tell you, I know you've spent some time wondering why the RV manufacturers don't know what you want, because you've been out there looking for something not 45 feet long, but that still has the luxury and the amenities that you're used to and that you want. Well, I know you've looked at a lot of Class C's. I know you've looked at a lot of really subpar manufacturers for that shorter than 40 foot, definitely shorter than 45 foot motorhome. You haven't found it, but let me tell you this, you have now, because I've got several of these, and it's made by Newmar, one of the leading manufacturers in the industry. What I'm talking about is the Newmar New Aire motor coach. Yes, folks, this coach is only 35 feet long, but it is built with luxury in mind. We're going to take a look at this coach now so I can show you just exactly what I'm talking about. Let's head inside. Okay, we're inside this beautiful New Aire coach now. Take a look around. Take a look at the wonderful cabinetry, the exclusive luxurious furniture, the tile flooring, the beautiful solid surface. Everything that you would need or want is in this motorhome in terms of luxury, technology, and capabilities. It is just gorgeous. Let's take a look at the cockpit. We'll start there. Now this coach is on the Spartan chassis, which is a bit of an upgrade from Freightliner. It has an electronic information center in the dash, keyless start, 10-inch monitors. It also has 360 view, which gives you an all-around view, camera-wise, of the entire outside of the coach. It's equipped with Nav and Go navigation, which is built to tell you where you can drive a really tall motorhome without knocking everything off the top. The seats are extremely luxurious. You'll notice that the passenger seat here is an extra wide seat, which is kind of nice. When you turn this seat around, either seat will turn around and join the living room area. This one really is more the size of a regular home-style recliner. Moving away from the cockpit, we're going to take a look at the living area. And in this particular coach, what we have is a nice dinette. The TV's on a televator behind the dinette, so it'll pop up. And in addition, you have theater seating over here on the driver's side. You've got dual frame or dual pane tinted frameless windows. Gives you a nice view outside. You've got a nice little cabinet which has tinted or frosted glass that's lit. You've got a nice kitchen area, so if you want to cook, you're all set here. Now this is an all-electric coach, meaning there's no LP gas, so the cooktop is an induction cooktop. This one you can actually take out if you want to, unplug it, and take it outside and use it outside. As I said, you've got a solid surface countertop. You have plenty of area here for cooking and assembling your dishes. And you've also got a large kitchen window. Whoa, hey, hang on. Check that out. You can see everything that's going on outside. Keep an eye on your husband. Lots of space here for storage. Pull-out tray. More storage on this side. Really, this coach is built for the folks that want to camp, want to live the RV's lifestyle, but don't want to pull a gigantic motorhome behind it. Now this coach, largely because it's only 35 feet long, full service bathroom. You've got a large shower, as you can see. Plenty of space inside for vanity space, towels, anything you want to store. And you've got an emergency egress door here right behind the toilet. This unit also has a SaniCon system, which is a macerator, which allows you to easily take care of the nasty issue of dumping your black tank. Look at this refrigerator. Now this is a Samsung refrigerator. It is a household refrigerator. It's not turned on at the moment, but as you can see, this is just a normal refrigerator with a big freezer. There's an ice maker in this. This coach is also equipped with lithium-ion batteries, which is new this year, and which will give you that little extra power that you might need if you're not using your generator, you're not plugged into shore power. Really, that's a big deal in a motorhome. Tough to find lithium-ion. Let's move back here. Look at the clean lines in the way this is all laid out. Beautiful king bed. This particular coach is equipped with a sleep number mattress. You've got windows behind the bed and to the side. You've also got nightstands available. Here you have a very large wardrobe closet, and you also have a couple extra chairs that are foldable chairs that go with your dinette. There's also a safe in here, as well as some other areas where you can store things like shoes and other important product. Here we have the washer and dryer. Yes, it comes with a washer and dryer. You're all set in this coach. It has everything that you could possibly want, including a dishwasher. And a nice big TV, quite a few dresser drawers, more storage up here as well. Lots of nice accent lighting. Really, this is a beautiful design, and they've done everything with this coach that you could possibly want. New for this year also is a monitor system and a control system right here. It's a big 10-inch display. You have access to everything, your generator, water system, climate control, AC, DC power, camera. Everything's right here in place so that you can get to it very easily just by getting it from your theater chair. Not a big deal. Master Control Center. This is where you have access to most of the key systems in the coach, including your slides, as well as the awnings, drapes, security, etc., etc. Everything's all right here. So if you're looking for a coach that really embodies everything that you've grown to love about the RV experience, including just about every conceivable luxury option, this coach is it. And it's not huge. It's easy to drive. It'll also be admitted into some of the national parks where, you know, they have length restrictions. So if you're one of those people that needs a coach that isn't gigantic but wants something that is fully serviceable and gives you everything you could possibly want, the Newmar New Aire is a good choice for you. And we have a few of them right now, which is unusual. They don't build a ton of these, so when we got them, that's when you really want to buy them. Take a look at our website at transwestrv.com. Everything we have right now on the lot is listed there. We've also got a couple coming that are expected to be here within the following months. If you got any questions, call me. Like I said, my name is Jeff. My number is 816-394-4111. And go to transwestrv.com and take a look at our current inventory. If there's anything else you're interested, I'd be glad to talk to you about that too. Till then, regardless of whether you're one of the folks that really need something shorter or you're just mentally incoherent, please give me a call. I'm waiting for your call. See ya.